Right. Good morning, my dear students. Now today is a new day. Now today we are going to learn a test. Actually, not lesson. Today you have to write a test. Now copy down these questions and do this. Right. I will give the chance to complete. Now first copy down this. Add 3225 plus 625, right? Then 9000 plus 65 plus 235. I taught this earlier. Then 8765 plus 195 plus 25 plus 5, right? Then 17,256 plus 600 plus 2, right? The second one, subtract. First one, 9,825 subtract 214. Second one, 8,000 subtract 1,625. 9,825 subtract 96. Fourth one, 8,225 plus 365 minus 25. Copy down this. Right? Then third one, multiply. Multiply 35 into 6. Second one, 125. 125 into 12. 69 into 135. 256 into 90, right? Third one. Now fourth one, divide this. 126 divided by 4, 1829 divided by 12, 3628 divided by 18, then 9621 divided by 21. Yeah. Fourth one. Now fifth one, solve. Now fifth one, solve. Plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus minus 3 minus 9 plus 2 add minus 7. Fourth one, minus 9 minus subtract minus 2 subtract plus 1, right? Then sixth one, solve. Minus 3 into minus 2. 6 into minus 5. Minus 9 into minus 2. Divide by minus 3. Fourth one, minus 5 into minus 3 divide by minus 5 into plus 2. Right? Sixth one. Then Copy down 7th one also. The 7th one is simplify 18.25 plus 9.3, 117.16 minus 56.3, 7.91 plus 0.25 minus 1.35. Fourth one 18.25 minus 77.15 plus 1.253. Right. Now 8th one. So 7.25 multiplied by 7. 18.9 multiplied by 2.3. 79.5 divide by, I told divide also, divide by 7. 112.5 divide by 3.5. 8th one. Now 9th one. Copy down 9th one. Find the perimeter. Find perimeter. Perimeter. Here this is plane figure x 4x. Find the perimeter. Then here this is 4, 10, 10 and find the perimeter. Then 10th one, when x is minus 3 and y is plus 2, first x squared, second one find the value of 3 x squared y, third one 2x plus 3y. Then 11th one, solve. First one 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. Second one 5 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Third one 2 upon 7 plus 2 upon 3. Yes. Fourth one 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2. Right. Now 12th one. Now 12th one. Simplify 2 upon 7 multiply 21. 2 upon 9 multiply 3 upon 4. 3 upon 8 multiply by 16. 1 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 5. Now 30th one, solve. 3 upon 7 divided by 6. Right. Then 14th one. 40th one. Expand x to the power 4 to x to the power 2 y squared, x to the power 3 here brackets, then 64 to the power here and 4 blank. Right, last one, 15th one. Factorize 4x plus 12 minus 3x minus 9 3x plus y plus 1 minus 2 x plus 2 here. Right, now can you complete this at home? Right, I give, no, not at home. Now I give 1.5 hours. Now start writing. I'll check. Right, okay. Then do it. Now see you next day. Right, I go on.